Hi guys, welcome to Homestead Kitchen Living. Well, if you've been to the bread aisles lately in the grocery store, you've probably noticed that they're getting kind of empty. What do you do in a time when you can't get bread? Learn to make it at home. That's what I'm doing this week. I started my own homemade yeast and I made homemade bread. Want to see how I did that? Come follow me along in this video. My God, what did you eat? Okay, so the art of making bread is probably as old as the earth itself. Jesus referenced it many times in the scriptures, and I remember he broke bread at the Last Supper. So bread is a very important part of life. So let's get started. So this is the active yeast I'm talking about. See, it's nice and bubbly on the top. That's what they say we're looking for, active, bubbly yeast. I cultivated this in my kitchen, and we're ready to get started to use it today. I'm going to put about a half cup of this to start the recipe off. So I've heated up some purified water. Temperature is about 110 degrees. We're going to add about a half a cup of this to the active bubbly yeast that's in the bowl. Now I'm going to add about a tablespoon of cooking oil. And for this recipe I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of sugar. I'm going to mix this all together. Now I'll begin to sift in some unbleached all-purpose flour. Now they call for bread flour, but we're going to go with unbleached all-purpose flour. This is a total of 2 cups. I'm going to sift in 1 cup first. This is where I'll take the time to start kneading the flour. So apparently the dough is a little drier than I'd like it to be. I'm going to bend the rules a little bit here and add a little bit more water to this. Now the recipe I'm following calls for half a cup of warm water, but it's very dry. I'm going to add some more water to this. So we're going to transfer this dough now to some wax paper and continue kneading it. This is the fun part of the process. I get to do this for about 8 minutes. It's called kneading the dough. You just keep working the dough in your fingers until you finally get this firm, elastic type of dough. And if we did this right, it will rise. Will it rise? We will find out. So I've been kneading this dough now for about 8 minutes. Time to put it in the bread pan and see if it'll rise. Let's go. This is my 5x9 bread pan. So now I'll cover it up with my trusty pretty little towel here. I'll put this in a warm place in the house and let's see what happens. Okay guys, moment of truth. You ready for the unveiling? Actually I've been teaching throughout the day, so I know what to expect. Let's see what we've got. Voila, there you go. for the top a little bit. Put this in the oven. Finish it up. There you have it, guys. Fresh out of the oven. Crust is a little crunchy. There's a reason why they call it sourdough bread. But it's good. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. Just remember, when the going gets tough, the tough find something to eat. The best way to do that is to cook it yourself. Homestead kitchen living. Making cooking fun again. Please remember to like, subscribe, share it with a friend. Thanks again for watching.